Hi, this is Lucas from CutSpace. In today's episode, I would like to show you how to dimension a sketch, but actually not just a sketch, because I will also show you how we can actually control extrudes using parameters a bit more. Let's enter the sketch by double-clicking in the part tree. You can see that there are two dimensions here that are not yet dimensioned, meaning they are not confirmed, and they are shown in gray. To confirm them, I double-click on the dimension and assign a specific value, such as a value, for example, like 60 mm in this case, and you can see that this dimension is already confirmed, appearing in blue. This dimension is also clearly visible. Now, when I just exit this sketch and simply click on it once, you can actually see in the details window that a new parameter has appeared, which is P0. Now, I'll basically enter this sketch again and then confirm the second dimension precisely. And now, instead of entering a particular value, I will enter, for example, P0x2, close. You see it automatically changes here. You don't see this value, but if you click twice, it changes to 120. I wanted to close the sketch now, and I will. If we want to control these dimensions using parameter settings, we just simply need to click on the sketch once, and the parameters become visible here. Let's assume I change the value to 80. The second value automatically increases by 2 times. Alternatively, I can now also change it from the parameters level to be 2 times smaller divided by 2. We can see that the sketch automatically changes. These parameters do not only apply to the sketcher, because, for example, as I mentioned to you earlier, if I take an extrude, which is a process of extending a 2D shape into a 3D object, here in the filter I will choose the region boundary case to make it easier, and the extrude can be set to P0, let's say. The region boundary case is significant because it helps in defining the limits of the extrusion more clearly. I then highlight the result by selecting the extruded shape and click OK to confirm the operation. Here, if I go into a specific feature, you can see that we also have additional parameters and details for that specific feature. By clicking on the sketch here, all the parameters and dimensions contained in the sketch are displayed, as well as in this specific feature. I can change this P0 from P0 to, for example, 50 to a specific value such as 50, and I can control it like this. At 40, if I use some mathematical operations to ascertain additional values, I will have to go into another dialog window. But here it's really simple. These examples are very straightforward, but it's truly an invaluable feature, an invaluable function, if I have a very complex model with many curves and many solids overlapping each other. And then it becomes very cumbersome to enter the sketcher every time, especially if it is very complicated. We just hover over it with a single click, allowing us to easily control these values with precision and accuracy. That's all for this episode, and we hope you found it informative and helpful. Thanks a lot very much for watching. I invite you to please subscribe to our channel